Okay, how we doing, folks? It's late, 20 minutes to midnight on Monday, May 16, 2016, 20 minutes to midnight on the East Coast. We're giving you the game breakdown between Game 1 of the Western Conference Finals. The Oklahoma City Thunder, very impressive going in and getting the win 108-102 to take the 1-0 series lead in this series. It was a 13-point game in favor of the Warriors at halftime. They were up 60 to 47. The second half, a much different story. Oklahoma City outscored the Warriors 38 to 28 in the third quarter. Most impressively, 23 to 14 in the fourth quarter. Able to hold that Warriors team to only 14 points in the fourth quarter and 42 in the second half. Very impressive. Many stories in this game for both Oklahoma City and Golden State. We'll start with Golden State first, being that they were the losing team. 20 of 47 combined shooting between both Steph Curry and Klay Thompson. The backcourt, 9 of 22 for Curry, 11 of 25 for Klay Thompson. They were 9 of 22 from behind the arc, which was very good. Steph Curry was 6 of 14, 26 points, 10 rebounds for Curry, which is very impressive, 7 assists, 25 points, 9 rebounds for Klay Thompson. They were both -9 between the two of them, the -6 being for Curry. The bench, really not much production out of them. Iguodala led the way with 6 points and was +1. Draymond Green was effective, 9 of 20 shooting, 23 points. Really, though, Golden State was a little sloppy with the ball at times. They got very cold in the fourth quarter with not hitting shots. They missed, I believe it was like 7 in a row from behind the arc. Altogether, they were 11 of 30, 36.7, but they left most of the shooting in the locker room coming out of the first half, evident by only scoring 42 in the second half. For Oklahoma City Thunder, we will start with Russell Westbrook. Again, sensational. 27 points, 12 assists, 6 rebounds, 7 steals. Only shot 7 for 21. He got off to a slow start. He had 19 points in the third quarter, though. Really led the way. He was playing tight defense on Curry. Got some big rebounds. Played very well. Kevin Durant, 26 points. He was 10 of 30 shooting. He missed, I believe it was 7 in a row late in the fourth quarter before finally hitting one that really sealed the game. But here's the thing, Russell Westbrook had a 10 for 31 shooting. Everyone creamed him in that game. It happens. Kevin Durant had a poor shooting, nearly shot exactly the same, 10 of 30 as opposed to 10 of 31. It happens. 26 points for Durant. Very impressive. I think one of the main factors outside of Russell Westbrook, obviously, for the Oklahoma City Thunder, had to be Steven Adams tonight. Very impressive. 16 points, 12 rebounds. He got off to a slow start at the line. He made his final 6, though, for 6 of 9 shooting from the line. He wasn't afraid. There was a play. It was a scramble late in the game. He ended up with the ball, took it right to the rim, went up with 2 hands, got fouled, knocked down the 2 free throws. He's a young guy, but he's not afraid, and he was very good. Serge Ibaka, 11 points, 11 rebounds, 5 of 11 shooting. You'll take that from him every night. You'll obviously take a little more, but certainly did not embarrass himself. Dion Waiters, impressive with 10 points off the bench. Oklahoma City only went with 8 players the entire game, and Cantor and Randy Foye off the bench only got 32 minutes between the two of them. Durant logged 46, so there was, TNT showed it during the game. Billy Donovan at halftime, very composed with this team, said, let's just chip away. They did a little more than that in the third quarter. They got it to 3 points heading into the fourth, and then just completely took control there in the fourth quarter. And really, hats off to the Oklahoma City Thunder, who now moved to 5-2 on the road in the playoffs. Some people may be shocked, but if you saw my Western Conference previews, you would see that I not only picked Oklahoma City to win this series in 7 games, I said that I felt they were going to win either games 1 or game 2, and my prediction was they were going to win tonight, and they did. So moving forward, we'll see how focused and how hungry Oklahoma City comes out in game 2. I don't think they should really feel like they can't win game 2, and certainly you can take a stranglehold on the series, winning 2 games on the road. But even that doesn't clinch anything. Even if Golden State loses the first 2 at home, they can still win the series because they have 2 more home games, and Oklahoma City would only have the 3 left. But you take it 1 game at a time. Golden State could come out and blow the doors off of Oklahoma City in game 2. You just don't know. But Oklahoma City Thunder are not going to go away in this series. They're going to be very tough for the Golden State Warriors, and they show that tonight. You got to give all the team credit tonight. It wasn't just all about Westbrook and Durant, who really didn't play that great. We're 17 of 51 shooting between the two of them. But like we said, Steven Adams was spectacular tonight. Serge Ibaka was efficient, did what he needed to do. I thought he played very good defense, and Andre Robertson as well. Klay Thompson did have, what was it, 25 points, but only 11 of 25 shooting. I thought he was competing very hard against Klay Thompson all game, was moving his feet with him, and did a good job. So he was able to just show that everybody on this team had an important role for this big win for the Oklahoma City Thunder. So tomorrow we will give you the recap of Game 1 between the Raptors and the Cavaliers. Stay tuned for that. Have a good night.